After disassembly of the side cover parts, I found the source of the wheel not working. The 4-conductor wire connecting the main circuit to the motor is literally ripped from the plug. Plug that was unrecoverable. Plug that was unrecoverable. The reason for the wire to be pulled out of the plug is due to its improper passage by the side of the axis of rotation. The wire should go through the opposite side so as not to be pulled. The wire should go through the opposite side so as not to be pulled. The wire should go through the opposite side so as not to be pulled. After I have changed the thread passing place, therefore to the correct side since the movement of the axis does not affect the pulling of the wire. If they had done the montage in this way, for sure, what happened would not have happened. It is regrettable that there was not enough care and attention on the production line. And, from what has been reported by other customers, this problem has been repeated in other LOONA. Therefore, it means that you should pay attention to what is going on in the production line, or even in the LOONA designer.